Hey guys, so after Apple Music, Wink Music has started Dolby Audio, and the best part is it is completely free to use. And in this video I'll talk about how this works on iOS devices and also Android with my AirPods and also the Buds 2 Pro that actually supports the Dolby Atmos, and on the wired earphones, along with how this works on some budget friendly Bluetooth earphones that support Dolby Atmos. So let's begin the video. So if you look at the premium plan, it doesn't have anything to do with the quality. It only gets rid of the ads and some other benefits that it has. So you don't need the premium plan. So to enable the Dolby Audio, just go into the settings and here just choose the HD Dolby option, and that's pretty much it. So looking at the Dolby Atmos albums, currently there are not many tracks available as this is too early. So I tried searching for Dolby Audio tracks and I found a couple playlists, majorly I would say the Bollywood hits, and there are very few songs available as you can see. So I tried playing a few songs and chose this particular track to test, and you can see there is Dolby Atmos badging on the track as well. So here in this test I was using the Samsung phone along with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I also tried playing the same song on Amazon Music, which does not have such Dolby Atmos support, and when I tried checking the differences, yes, you could notice the surround sound on the Wink Music with the Dolby support. So the spatial audio for music, it's somewhat controversial. I mean, some people like it, some people don't, and in fact some tracks sound really good while others sound really terrible. So it's a personal taste. I leave it up to you as this is completely free, so it doesn't hurt trying out. And also I tried this with my wired earphones that does not have any Dolby Atmos support natively, so it didn't give me that real surround experience. So there are so many wired earphones that have the Dolby Atmos support, then you can definitely try this out. So I tried testing this with the iOS devices and I found out that there is no such Dolby option available in the settings. Anyway, I went on and tried out and I found out that it is only producing stereo. As you can clearly see, there is no option for spatial audio. So yes, for now at least the iPhone or the iOS devices or even the Mac does not support this. So the good thing is you don't need expensive earphones to try this out. I mean, some OnePlus earphones that are budget friendly, even they support Dolby Atmos if you pair it up with some OnePlus devices. The same can be said for the Oppo devices, where if you pair it up with Oppo earphones, they also support this similar thing called Oppo Encore Live or something. So the takeaway is the Dolby Atmos content is freely available for the masses even on a large scale, as you don't need expensive gadgets to experience this. So anyway guys, that's been it for this quick video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.